Have you been looking for the best snacks to entertain your visitors with? This is what you need. This delicious looking oven baked fish rolls. Welcome back to my channel. This is Debbie's Kitchen, and this is your first time of coming, my dear. You are so welcome. If you've been here before, oh, my heart goes out to you. I am happy to have you on my channel, and I'm saying, oh, you have been so wonderful. We are making this wonderful recipe together, and this is mini fish rolls oven baked. The ingredients are on the screen. You are going to be mixing them with these ingredients together using water or milk. If you don't have, you can use milk to make it tasty. Mix it until the dough is firm like this. Now I'm using egg fish. The egg fish, I've boiled it, I've taken out the bone, I mashed it or scattered it, and I'm going to be frying it with chopped onions until it is dried. I like my fish rolls real dried because I like it feeling very, very crispy in my mouth. But if you don't, it is your choice. The spices I use in frying it, they are on the screen, and all their measurements will be in the description box. Do not worry. Have you subscribed to my channel? What are you doing, Shakara? Subscribe. It won't take you anything to click on the button. Click on the notification bell, because do you know what? There are so many yummy recipes that will be coming your way from Debbie's Kitchen, and you wouldn't want to miss out on this. There's another video that talks about how to make oven baked fish rolls and fried fish rolls. You can click on the card in your screen or check the description box, and even another video about fried fish rolls. That is another lovely recipe. You can also click on the link is in my description box, and you can also watch the videos. You will learn how to make two different kind of fish rolls, very easy and fast. And if you've been making it before and making mistakes, you will learn how to correct where you've made your mistakes, and you will correct yourself. I'll roll it until flat, and I'm going to cut the edges so that it will give it a fine look. After rolling it until flat, I'll cut the edges, and apply my fishes at the edge of my flour. It is very important. You apply your fishes at the edge so that they wouldn't fall off. If you don't apply them at the edge, they may fall off, and it won't be nice. You can roll yours twice. I rolled mine twice. You can roll your own more than twice. Mommy, I rolled mine twice. I think it's just perfect. Look at how my own is looking here. You can decide to leave yours like this if you want longer fish rolls. But me, because I really want it mini, it is mini fish rolls. I really want it to be smaller. I'm going to go for that to cut my into smaller pieces. Now, this makes it handy for kids. You can keep it in the fridge as snacks time for kids. You can use it for birthday celebration if you're looking for what to share that is cheap. People will love it with drinks, or you can even use it to entertain visitors. Like as I said at the beginning of the video, I'll be brushing it here with egg mix so that it will have the shiny and attractive look. Bake it in an oven of 250 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Monitor it closely so that it won't get burnt. And after baking it, your delicious fish roll is ready. Thank you for stopping by. So good to have you here. Bye bye. See you next time.